In this video, I'm going to show you how you can draw Gann Box in TradingView. So first thing you need to do is sign into your TradingView account. Once you're on your chart, go to the left-hand toolbar and look for the Fibonacci tools icon. It looks like a little retracement tool. Click the small arrow next to it to expand the menu. Now scroll through the list and you will see Gann tools. You have options like Gann Box, Gann Square Fixed, and Gann Square Box. For this example, I'm going to choose the regular Gann Box, so click on it. After that, go to your chart and click where you want to place your first point. Then drag the box to your second point and click again. As you can see, the Gann Box is now placed on the chart. From here, you can customize it however you want. You can adjust the size by dragging the edges, you can change the line width, switch between solid and dotted lines, and also adjust the colors to match your chart style. If you click the settings icon, you can go even deeper and change more display options inside the Gann Box. That's pretty much it. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more TradingView tutorials.